This is an example of a Charles Law problem. I can tell it's Charles Law because if I look at the numbers given in the problem, they're either temperature labels or they're volume labels. Charles Law is V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2 as long as your temperatures are in Kelvin. So T has to be in kelvins or you get the wrong answer. So I usually start with let statements. So 450 cubic centimeters. Anything cubic is a volume label, so we'll put that for V1. Now it doesn't matter what your volume is in as long as the labels match. So we're okay there so far. And then it says it starts out initially at 20 degrees Celsius. So we're going to have to add 273 to that to get it to Kelvin, so 293. Then the only other number is 127 degrees Celsius, which would be a temperature. Again, we're going to have to add 273 to that. So 400. And that must mean V2 is X. So as long as we label our answer cubic centimeters, volumes are fine. So then we can start filling into the equation. So 450 over T1 in kelvins is 293 equals V2 is X over 400. And then what I do is cross multiply here. That gives me 293X equals 450 times 400. And then solve for X. You can do it any way you want, but that's how I do it. I'm getting 614. So then I go back up and I look for SIGDIG. It looks like the volume had 2, temperature's 3, so I need 2. So 610 cubic centimeters, or 6.1 times 10 to the 2 cubic centimeters. And that's our answer. And that's how you do Charles Law.